What's up, guys? I'm Flyin Tech here. Today we're going to be doing a mail call from our sponsors, mail from friends and fans, and we're even having a giveaway. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, first off is the CW10 by Cheer Wig. This is a very tiny whoop-esque like quad. We will do a full review on him in the future. Next up is the Heliway 903, courtesy of Gearbest. Now, if you've seen my recent FPV flight of this guy, you know I'm already in love with it. But there will be a full review coming up on it soon. I already highly recommend it, but if you want to wait for the review, so be it. But in my opinion, definitely worth the buy. Alright, and lastly from the sponsors, we have the Smax 1/6 scale monster truck 4x4. This guy looks pretty cool, man. I don't want to get into too much about it, but it's going to be fun to review, I can tell you that. I've seen other channels review it, like Big Drone Flyer 77, and he says it's excellent, so I'm actually looking forward to this one. This was sent courtesy of Cheerwing, and I do appreciate it, as well as all my sponsors. Thank you very much. Alright guys, so I've got mail from friends and fans. This one here is from Drone Pool. If you don't know him, links in the description. Please go check out his channel. Drone Pool, thank you very much. I'm very excited to find out whatever it is. So let's open it up. Any guessers? Any guessers? Let's go a little further. Ooh. Ooh. Dan, you know I like knives, so I am excited to check out whatever this is. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow, that is just gorgeous. Look at that, it's got a lock mechanism on the top. Got a little button here on the side. Should we test it out? Of course we're gonna test it out. Oh, that is just sexy, man. Bam, look at that. Here's my everyday carry. This is just a $4, Walmart knife that I got. It does the job, but look at this guy. Thank you very much, Dan. I will cherish this for all eternity, my friend. Definitely. Alright guys, and finally some fan mail here. I have a fan that makes 3D printed items, and I asked him to send me a couple of pieces. So let's open it up, shall we? And in honors, Dan, we're going to use your knife. Look at that. And there you go. This piece right here, I'll show you in a minute what it's good for. So basically what it is a custom mount for either the TX03 or the TX05, and it also holds the battery and mounts perfectly to the back of this vehicle. And as you may have guessed, I'm going to be having a giveaway. We're going to be giving away one of these vehicles as well as a mount. All you have to do is like, share, subscribe, and comment below, and I will be happy to ship this to your door. We'll be having a drawing in about a week from today, so we'll be picking the lucky winner then. Okay, good luck to everybody. I hope everybody wins. And hey, thank you guys for checking out my channel. All links will be in the description below to every product you've seen here today. I do appreciate every one of you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Tell your friends about my channel, please. I really would appreciate that. If they're into this hobby, it's always nice to meet new people. Thank you again to my friends. Thank you again to my sponsors. Thank you again to all my fans. You guys are wonderful, and I love you all. Alright guys, with that, as always, happy flying.